Have you ever wondered how you grew from a tiny baby into the amazing person you are today? Or how a cut on your knee magically heals itself? Well, the answer lies in the incredible world of cells, the tiny building blocks of all living things. Our bodies are constantly making new cells, and they do this through two amazing processes, mitosis and meiosis. Think of your cells like a bustling city, with each cell working hard to keep you healthy and strong. Sometimes that city needs to grow bigger, just like you do. Other times it needs to repair itself after an injury. That's where mitosis comes in. It's like the city planner, making sure there are always enough healthy cells to go around. But there's another important job, making sure that life can continue for generations to come. That's where meiosis steps in, a bit like a matchmaker creating something truly special. It's how we get sperm cells and egg cells, each carrying a unique mix of our parents' DNA. Let's start with mitosis, the process responsible for growth and repair. Imagine you have a single cell, a tiny factory filled with important instructions in the form of DNA. When it's time to make a new cell, the DNA inside makes a copy of itself. Kind of like hitting Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now the cell has two identical sets of DNA. These instructions bundle themselves up into structures called chromosomes, which line up in the middle of the cell like dancers ready to perform. Next, tiny threads pull the chromosomes apart, sending one copy of each chromosome to opposite sides of the cell. It's like the cell is splitting its treasure equally. With a final flourish, the cell divides into two identical daughter cells, each with a complete set of DNA. This process repeats over and over again, allowing our bodies to grow, repair damaged tissues, and even replace worn-out cells. Think of a skinned knee healing perfectly, all thanks to mitosis. Now let's dive into meiosis, the process behind the amazing diversity of life. Meiosis is all about creating special cells, sperm in males and eggs in females, needed for reproduction. These cells are unique because they only carry half the usual amount of DNA. Just like in mitosis, meiosis begins with the DNA making a copy of itself. But here's where things get interesting. Instead of just one division, meiosis involves 2 rounds of cell division. During these divisions, something incredible happens. Remember those chromosomes, bundled up like little scrolls? They swap sections of DNA in a process called crossing over. It's like shuffling a deck of cards, creating new combinations, and ensuring that each sperm or egg cell is one of a kind. The result? 4 cells are created, each with half the number of chromosomes as a regular cell, and each carrying a unique mix of genetic information. This is why we inherit traits from both our parents and why siblings can look so different. To really understand the differences, let's compare mitosis and meiosis side by side. So first up, the number of cells formed, mitosis produces 2, while meiosis results in 4. When it comes to chromosome number, mitosis keeps it the same, but meiosis actually halves it. The purpose of mitosis is growth, repair, and asexual reproduction, whereas meiosis is all about sexual reproduction. Are the cells identical? Well, yes for mitosis, but no for meiosis. And finally, mitosis involves just 1 cell division, while meiosis goes through 2. It's pretty fascinating how these processes differ, right? Mitosis and meiosis are essential for life. Mitosis ensures that our bodies can grow and heal, allowing us to live and thrive. Meiosis, on the other hand, is responsible for the incredible diversity of life on Earth. It shuffles the genetic deck, creating unique individuals and allowing species to adapt and evolve over time. Think about it. Every cell in your body, from the ones in your toes to the ones in your brain, is a result of these amazing processes. Mitosis helps us grow and stay healthy, while meiosis ensures that each generation is unique and carries the potential for new possibilities. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember the incredible dance of cells happening inside you, making you the amazing individual you are. Subscribe to ScienceWorld Explored for more quick science dives, and let us know what you want explained next.